So today we're going to show you a short video on how to do some quick and easy bone broth with chicken in the slow cooker. It's a really low impact, not too fancy way to get some really nourishing broth. So the first thing we have to do is care about the sourcing of our chicken bones. Where are they coming from? Are they healthy? Did they get fed good food? Do they actually have healthy bone density? Are we going to get all those minerals we want out of there? And once we've identified that, we can cook those bad boys up. There is absolutely a possibility for buying pre-cooked chickens to make this happen. Once we cook up our chicken and we get the meat off, we toss the bones in the slow cooker and add about 1/3 cup or so of apple cider vinegar. Make sure it has those nice little floaty guys in there. Those are our live cultures. And then I chuck in a few bay leaves. If you are doing things perfectly, you can let that soak in our nice clean water. And for some of us, that means having to buy water. If we have city water that has got some chlorine issues or some fluoride happening, for us we have RO, so we use that. At this point, I chuck in random odds and ends of veggies that I've got left over. You can absolutely cut up some onions, garlic, throw them in there if you would like to. If you have the time, you turn this bad boy on high for about a half hour and then turn it back down to low. If you don't have time to do that and skim the top, that's okie doke. Just turn it on low for about 8 hours. Sometimes mine sits for 12 and it's really okay and it forms a gel at the end. Of course, we want to strain after it's cooled down a bit, after our 8 to 12-ish hours of being on low. And then I like to strain it again because having extra little bits in your broth is not fabulous. Once we have those guys, we let them cool on the counter. Please, please, please use glass jars. And that fat on the top, you will be able to skim off later if you want to. We keep it around for making rice and legumes and other things as a really healthy option because I know where it's coming from. All right, guys, have a fabulous day and reach out with any questions if you have.